Hi guys, it's Nancy from Pick Jordan 23 Also we are Pick Jordan 23 iOS. Please stop with my YouTube channels. I will keep doing review to show you new release items. Also, you can follow in the Webchat with your 2P channels like Kick368 or Skype Pickup Jordan 23. Webchat in your course 1988. Any question, just recognize. Yes, guys, today I will introduce new members of the new version of Air Jordan 4. Yes, you will see it's a classical shoes bag. Your covers up to the yellow color patterns of the shoes uppers. It was amazing and wonderful. Toppers with green line. And you see uppers of times where you see white diamonds at Air Jordan 4 classical design sideways. This is the side using a net of the black net. Tips. Yes, just backers. You will see a great jumpments and haters. Yes, a very cool jumpments on the back waist. Light waist, yellow jumpments on the bottoms. Okay guys, those available now in our website www.pickjordan23.com. If you want that in first time with valid sales price, welcome to orders in our website. See you next video. Bye.